What's up, y'all? We back with another video. You hear me? I'm with my dude, Dying Slime, right here. We about to be going on Monkey. We gonna see who look better out of me and him. And then we gonna ask them to rate us. Then we gonna see who the virgin. Which is
I'm
him.
not the virgin.
He definitely the virgin.
He the virgin.
Yeah,
Obviously.
I don't even look like a virgin. So
I don't look like a virgin either.
Boy, if you don't get
okay. Right, alright, y'all. So make sure y'all like the video, subscribe, and we about to get right into it.
Dry ass monkey up.
We should have been thought about it.
Oh, here we go. Fine, please. Here we go. Yeah. Hey,
Add time real quick. You can add time real quick. Hey, so out of me and my friend Adonis, who you think get more bodies? Out of me and him, just off looks.
Give more what?
Who you think get more bodies? Huh?
Throw something at me back and I will kill you.
Who y'all think get more bodies out of me? Me?
You.
Okay. Yeah. And rate me and him on a scale of 1 to 10.
Him an 8, you a 9.
A 10?
You
A
said
9.
Or
a 9. What did I
What
get?
about him?
An 8.
An 8?
Alright.
Alright, who you think a virgin out of me and him?
None of you.
Y'all think you don't think he a virgin? No? I appreciate it.
Bro, is your
We
volume
got
up?
one.
Yo,
No, it's screen recording, so that's why.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kish. New York, yeah.
Hey, add time real quick.
Okay.
So, out of me and him, who you think got more bodies?
What?
Out of me and him, who you think got more bodies? Just off
You.
looks.
You.
Me?
Yeah. Yeah.
And rate me and him 1 to 10.
Okay, well you're in like a
Yeah.
9.
You said a 9?
Yeah, and he's like an 8.
And what he is?
An 8.
An 8?
An 8?
Yeah.
Alright.
Is that
Now,
good
out of
enough?
me and him, who you think the virgin is? Because one of us is a
Him.
virgin. Him?
Him. Is he a
Alright. Oh shit. She said him.
Alright, he got
Wait,
one.
I just
Hey, he got
remember
one.
they gonna hear the person talking on the.
yeah, if you scream, you can put the thing up there.
Okay, I'm just. Alright, let me see.
Or just take the volume off and see what it looks like.
The volume off. Hey, you can add time real quick. So look, out of me and my friend right here, who you think got more bodies? Oh shit. Who you think got more bodies out of me and him?
You.
Yeah, you.
Who, me? Or him?
Yeah.
Me? Okay,
Yeah.
rate me and him 1 to 10.
10. Both of y'all.
Rate me and him 1 to 10. Who you get? What you
10.
get? You said a 10?
For who?
Yeah, both of y'all.
Me?
For him?
Both of y'all.
Oh, both of
For
us.
both.
Okay, alright.
Who's the
So,
virgin?
who you think the virgin is out of me and him?
The virgin.
Him.
Me?
No.
Oh, him.
Yeah.
Damn. I appreciate it.
Damn!
This shit going good so far, you hear me? They been saying he the virgin. So yeah,
I'm
it's
not-
going pretty good right now.
You say no?
He said,
No, I'm not the virgin.
you not the virgin?
I'm not the virgin.
That means Jay the virgin?
Yeah, he's the virgin.
Oh yeah?
But accept it. Bro, I really want to hear what they're saying, bro. I swear. I really want to hear what they're saying.
Hey, add time real quick. Oh shit. Oh, why my shit not showing? Oh nah, she was ugly as shit.
She ugly anyway.
We ain't doing no fat whales on this.
No
bitch.
fat whales.
No fat whales, you
No
hear me?
excuses on this.
Hell no. Alright, we got another one.
Maryville.
Yeah.
Merville.
Bitch ain't gonna go through. Box. Ain't gonna go through. Yeah, we gonna do like a couple more and then we gonna
End it, bro. Like,
bro. How you feel that they think you're a virgin over here?
that's some bullshit. First of all,
Some bullshit.
hey, your ad
Hey,
time.
add time real quick.
Ad time.
You
please.
add time?
Ooh.
Oh,
Get the fuck off this phone.
Ain't doing those. She look like a fucking
She look like
alien with her
Chucky.
ugly ass.
She look like Chucky.
People be weird on this app, y'all.
I swear they do. Weird
They
as
look
shit.
weird shit on here. Some of them. Hey, you can add time for me, miss? Oh shit. Add time. See, out of me and my friend right here, who you think got more bodies?
Whoa, pause. You talking too fast and I can't understand. You said what?
Huh? Who you think got more bodies out of me and him?
Who I think.
Damn, I can't even hear.
I told you, bro. This screen recording shit, no hope.
Hello? You said me?
Hello.
Just point out, cause I can't hear that bit. Me?
Him?
Yes.
Alright.
I bet. So rate me and him out of, on a scale of 1 to 10.
You want to rate now?
Hey, rate me in 1 to 10.
Okay, I'm gonna say 6 and 6.
You
I'm a
said
10?
No,
who? Hey, you said a 10 for who?
no.
Bro, I can't.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 7.
A 10,
Oh, okay.
a 0.
A 0?
Who?
Who got a 0?
Who got a 0?
Oh my god.
5
A 7.
or a 7? Who got a 7?
Who got a 7?
Me or him?
Both of y'all.
Oh,
Both.
both of us 7?
Hey, I got another question for you.
Alright, who look like the virgin?
Who's the virgin?
Who look like the virgin
Who's the
out of me?
virgin?
That's a good one.
And you automatically pointed at me,
Yeah.
though, fuck, bro. Oh my god, bro. You automatically pointed at me.
Alright, appreciate y'all.
Oh my
Yeah.
Fuck off it.
Bro, can we stop this, bro?
Nah, we can't stop it. We gonna keep it going because we already know who the virgin is.
Bro,
This guy.
that's stupid, bro.
Yeah.
I really want to
Yeah.
stop this shit.
We already know. We gonna keep it going for a little bit longer.
You can't hear shit, though. That's crazy.
Because it's on screen recording. Alright, y'all. So that was the end of the video. You heard me. I got a lot of 10s and 11s. Every time we ask, they say he was a virgin. So, do you want to tell him are you a virgin or not? Or you want to save it for the next video?
Next video.
Next video? Alright, y'all. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like and subscribe. There's gonna be more bangers coming soon. So just stay tuned, you hear me? And it's gonna even get more litter. So yeah, let's get it.